As we look forward to 2024, the electric commuter bike market is expected to see even more exciting innovations and options. These bikes combine cutting-edge technology, comfort, and style to make your daily commute a breeze while contributing to a greener future. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Velotric Thunder 1. Get ready to experience the future of biking with the Velotric Thunder 1. This sleek, minimalist smart bike is powered by the Velopower E35 Plus and offers a silent, smooth ride thanks to a torque sensor. With a range of up to 70 miles and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it's a true powerhouse for city and outdoor exploration. The Velotric app allows for ride customization, anti-theft alerts, and keyless unlocking, while the Smart Plus hub and GPS tracking ensure security. Attention to detail is evident throughout, from ambient light sensing headlights to hydroformed aluminum frame and the internal wiring. The Thunder 1 is a perfect choice for anyone seeking a smarter, more enjoyable cycling experience, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newbie to e-bikes. Cowboy C4. The futuristic and agile bike is designed to navigate thrilling turns, exciting roads, and relentless traffic effortlessly. Ditching the conventional chain, it adopts the cutting-edge Gates carbon belt drive for more efficient power delivery and seamless gear shifts. With a 47mm Cowboy puncture-resistant tires featuring a protective layer, riders enjoy exceptional grip on any surface, even in unfavorable weather conditions. Despite its durability, the aluminum 6061 frame ensures the bike remains remarkably lightweight for everyday use. Enhancing the experience, the integrated app offers endless customization options to elevate the joy of riding. Vibe H10 Mud. Orbea, a renowned and long-standing performance bike manufacturer, has made a remarkable entry into the premium urban mobility market with the Vibe H10. The bike's quality is evident right from the start, with its 6061 hydroformed aluminum frame available in 4 sizes, showcasing a perfect blend of premium design and lightweight durability, weighing in at just 35 pounds. Within this frame lies an integrated Moly 248 watt-hour battery, a smart choice for urban mobility enthusiasts, providing an impressive range of over 60 miles, a game-changer for city dwellers. Complementing this, the Moly X35 Plus motor delivers ample power and support for effortless city commuting. Orbea's Vibe H10 is a testament to their commitment to quality and innovation in the urban mobility sector. ICOMA Tatamel Bike. Compact and agile in its standard form, it takes the concept of portability to a whole new level when folded. This remarkable e-bike, crafted with Japanese precision, is designed for solo commuting, embodying meticulous craftsmanship both inside and out. In its folded state, it transforms into an incredibly compact package, effortlessly fitting into tight spaces with ease, resembling a simple cardboard box in appearance. However, don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. On the road, the ICOMA delivers all essentials flawlessly, boasting a top speed of 30 kilometers and a swift 3-hour charging time for the battery. Furthermore, the customizable side panel invites innovation, allowing riders to personalize their experience to the fullest. The Tatamel bike redefines convenience and innovation in the world of folding bikes. The GoCycle G4i is a premium electric bike designed for commuting, offering the convenience of folding in half. Inspired by McLaren and equipped with rider-focused technology, it builds on the success of previous GoCycle models known for their smooth power delivery. Speed is a priority thanks to the powerful front hub G4 motor. Despite its performance, it remains lightweight at just 38 pounds, making it easy to handle when folded. You can enhance your riding experience by connecting the G4i to GoCycle's intuitive app, allowing you to customize performance settings based on your individual profile. E-Vault. For those seeking a break from the mountain biking and a taste of urban adventures, the E-Vault is the perfect choice. This bike is the epitome of versatility, effortlessly transitioning from city streets to high-speed runs without hesitation. With its sharp and intuitive handling, it navigates through traffic with precision, allowing for quick turns when needed. Wide tires offer enhanced grip and clearance, ensuring confidence on diverse terrains. Powering this versatile ride is the lightweight Forzo Evasion drivetrain, renowned for its performance, complemented by a smart 252 watt-hour battery system to support the drive unit. To top it off, the ISOFlex technology incorporated into the bike ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, effectively absorbing the impact of harsh bumps and potholes. The E-Vault is your ticket to conquering the streets with style and ease. Lectric XP 3.0. Building on its predecessors, this model takes practicality and agility to the next level. Maintaining its core features, the XP3 is exceptionally maneuverable, lighter, and even more compact when folded, making storage and transport a breeze. With its 5-level pedal assist, it offers an impressive range of up to 25 miles, making it the ideal choice for riders constantly on the move. The XP3 is the epitome of practicality and convenience in a folding e-bike. Obarter D5. Say goodbye to dull commutes and embrace the Obarter D5, the latest addition to the electric scooter world, designed to transform your rides into cloud-like experiences. Let's start with the design. The Obarter D5 boasts a sleek appearance with 12-inch on-road fat tires, ensuring a comfortable journey even on rough terrain. Plus, its removable battery simplifies recharging, getting you back on the road swiftly. Speaking of charging, the 5-amp fast charger guarantees minimal downtime. The real power lies in its 5,000-watt dual motor, propelling you to a top speed of 43 miles per hour. And with a range of approximately 74 miles, long-distance rides are a breeze. Stay informed with a comprehensive front screen displaying speed, distance, battery status, and more in real time. Safety is paramount with prominent front lights, turn signals, and brake lights to keep you visible to other road users. Comfort is not compromised, thanks to the 3 hydraulic suspensions, ensuring a smooth, floating-like ride. Lastly, the Obarter D5's easy-to-fold design with its overlapping fold system makes storage and transportation a breeze. Say hello to exciting and comfortable commutes with the Obarter D5. DAILYTOUR E+3. It's the perfect choice for daily commuting and weekend adventures, offering an impressive range of 68 miles that adjusts seamlessly to factors like wind resistance, cargo, and route profile. Backing up this performance is a highly efficient 500-watt-hour energy pack battery that doesn't let tricky weather conditions compromise its capabilities. Bike features Giant's proprietary hybrid cycling technology, seamlessly blending electric power with manual pedaling to deliver an intelligent, natural, and powerful e-bike riding experience. This system integrates with other programs like Ride Control, Control Energy Pack Battery, and Sync Drive motor systems, elevating the DAILYTOUR E+3 to provide a refined and exceptional riding experience for urban dwellers and adventurers alike. Story Electric Road Bike. This road bike combines modern style with a touch of nostalgia, ideal for city commuting and leisurely rides. Its sleek design exudes timeless charm while housing a robust 350-watt rear hub motor, and a dependable 36-volt Samsung lithium-ion battery. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy handling, making longer rides a pleasure, and its ergonomic geometry ensures a comfortable, upright riding position. That's it for today's episode! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.